Triangle ABC is given below. What is the value of the cosine of A? All right, so cosine, if you look on your formula sheet, it'll say cosine of theta equals adjacent over hypotenuse. And in this case, theta, our reference angle, is angle A. So we're going to label everything on our triangle based off angle A. I like to label the hypotenuse first. It's across from the 90-degree angle. The side that touches angle A is going to be the adjacent, and the side opposite from angle A would be opposite. So for cosine of A, we need the adjacent and the hypotenuse, so that would be 9 over 15. But notice that doesn't match any of your answers because they reduced it. So for most of you, you'll be able to see that you would divide the top and bottom by 3 to get 3 over 5. If you don't immediately know how to reduce it, and you have a TI 30XS, you can put it into your calculator using the fraction button, 9 over 15, and it'll automatically reduce it for you. If you're using the computer calculator, it's not going to reduce it for you. You would have to type in 9 divided by 15, and it would give you 0.6. And then you would have to go over here to each of your answer choices and divide them until you see which other one equals 0.6. Just so happens to be A, but like you can do all of these and divide them. We don't need to though, because we know that A matches up because 9 divided by 15 is 0.6.